Hey everyone, Camian Larson, home design and renovation coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. But did you know that I am not from Oregon? I'm originally from New Mexico. I am actually fifth generation from out there, and I grew up on job sites. My dad was a custom home builder, and he specialized in the 70s and part of the 80s in adobe homes, because I grew up in between Albuquerque and Santa Fe in the high desert, and it was an interesting upbringing. And it was pretty cool to grow up on job sites with my dad, going around to all the spots. And I got very comfortable on job sites pretty young. And I started working for him when I was 14, and that evolved over my teenage years in various capacities. And I ended up starting my first company at 23. I was a painting subcontractor, so I was out there hustling and painting job sites by myself with my truck, and I always had a do-rag on and cargo pants. People didn't recognize me if my hair was down. And that ended up evolving into color consulting and running jobs, project management, and then my dad ended up retiring one of the times he retired. Anyway, he retired one time, and I ended up taking over his crew and doing a series of flips in the Nob Hill area of Albuquerque, and that was an amazing experience. It was a lot of fun. The timing was good with real estate, and was very successful with that. And then we ended up having our kid. I took a little break, and then what did I do next? Then I ended up getting a job as a kitchen and bath designer and saleswoman, and was very successful at that. And then I worked on a national franchise and was offered a position as a national kitchen designer, and it involved a lot of travel and wasn't going to work for us. But that was pretty amazing to get that offer. So I ended up opening my own showroom. So I used to have my own showroom that I co-owned with a partner who was my general contractor. And then we had a cabinet line, and we were doing full stuff. I ended up selling my part of the business to him, and we moved up to Oregon. And I was an outside sales, commercial sales rep. And so my point in all of this is that I have evolved through this for my entire life and my whole career. There's other things that are mixed in there, but that's a lot of my relationship with building. And so I bring all of that to my clients, my experience, their projects, all those different perspectives, so that I can help them achieve their goals and feel good about it in the end. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little story. Sorry it went a little longer than I expected it to, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.